Stop. Before you learn another English word, before you memorize another grammar rule, I have to tell you something shocking. Millions of English learners believe the biggest lie about fluent English, and it's the reason most people never speak confidently, no matter how many years they've been studying. And the truth? Most of what you've been told about learning English is holding you back. Now, let me introduce myself and why you're in the right place. Welcome to Lexiquesta Academy, where we help you learn smart and speak fluent English. Our mission is simple. English should feel easy, natural, and confident. No memorizing hundreds of rules, no guessing tricky words, just smart learning, real speaking practice, and fluency you can feel. So if you've ever felt stuck, hesitant, or nervous while speaking English, this video will change the way you see language learning forever. Here's the lie. To speak fluent English, you need perfect grammar and thousands of words. We've all been told this, teachers, books, courses everywhere. Learn all the tenses, memorize every new word, study for years, and one day, magically, you'll speak fluent English. But let me be honest, that day rarely comes. Why? Because fluency doesn't work that way. This lie creates three big problems. Problem 1, fear of mistakes. You hesitate to speak because you feel grammar must be perfect. Thoughts like, what if I make a mistake? What if people laugh? What if my sentence is wrong? This fear keeps you silent, and silence never builds fluency. Problem 2, vocabulary overload. Many learners memorize thousands of words, but when it's time to speak, the mind goes blank. Fluency is not knowing many words, it's using the right words naturally. Problem 3, waiting for confidence. Some learners wait to feel confident before speaking, but confidence comes because you speak, not before. So what really creates fluency? Fluent English is about comfort and clarity, not perfection. Example: I would like to elucidate my perspective regarding this particular matter. I want to share my opinion about this. Which sounds more fluent? Most people pick the second. It's simple, clear, and natural. Fluency equals clarity, not complexity. Fluent speakers don't know all grammar rules. Don't use difficult words constantly. Don't speak perfectly. Instead, they use simple sentence patterns. Repeat common phrases daily. Focus on communication, not perfection. Here's the real secret. Fluency comes from daily use, not daily study. You can study English for 5 hours a day, but if you don't speak, nothing changes. Speaking 10 to 15 minutes daily is far more effective. Language is a skill, and skills improve only through practice. Think about how you learned your first language. You didn't study grammar books, do exams, or memorize thousands of words. You listened, copied, spoke, and made mistakes. Slowly, naturally, you became fluent. English works the same way. Stop asking, is my English perfect? Start asking, did the other person understand me? Communication perfection. Here's what you should focus on. 1. Daily speaking. Speak every day, even 2-5 minutes. Describe your day, your thoughts. 2. Common sentence patterns. I think, I feel that, in my opinion. 3. Simple vocabulary. Stop chasing rare words. Simple English works. 4. Accept mistakes. Mistakes equals progress. Even fluent speakers make them. Exercise. Every night, speak for 2 minutes about your day. No writing, no translating, just speaking. Do this consistently for 30 days. Fluency will grow naturally. So here's the takeaway. You don't need perfect grammar. You don't need thousands of words. You don't need a native accent. What you really need: daily speaking, simple English, consistency, confidence. At Lexiquesta Academy, we teach you how to learn smart and speak fluent English. Subscribe, follow, and start your journey today. Lexiquesta Academy. Learn smart, speak fluent.